Digital forensics and five phases of digital forensic model. Firstly, introduction to digital forensic. Digital forensic is a branch of forensic science that involves in identification, preservation, collection, analysis, and presentation of digital evidence. It used in criminal investigations, cybersecurity incidents, and corporate fraud cases. Additionally, the process ensures that digital forensic is handled properly to maintain its integrity and admissibility in legal proceedings. First phase is identification. In this phase, investigators recognize, determine potential data evidence sources. This includes identifying compromised system or devices, detecting logs, USB drives, or external storage devices, locating malicious software or unauthorized access points. In real-world samples, a multinational corporation detects unauthorized access to its internal database, resulting in sensitive customer data being leaked. Security analysts identify a compromised workstation used by an employee whose credentials were stolen through a phishing attack. Next is preservation. Once the evidence is identified, it must be secured to prevent tampering or loss. This step involves creating forensic images of hard drives, isolating compromised system for the network, preserving logs, emails, and memory snapshots. In real world scenarios, after identifying the compromised workstation, forensic experts create a disk image of the system to ensure that no further changes occur. They also isolate the affected system from the corporate network to prevent the attacker from causing further damages. And third phase is collection, data collection. Investigators gather relevant digital evidence from the preserved sources. In this include extracting logs from firewalls, servers, and workstations, and capturing network traffic and retrieving emails and chat messages. Also, in forensic experts collect network logs showing unauthorized access from suspicious IP addresses. Email records received the compromised employee received a phishing email with the malicious attached with triggering attacks, and then collect all these network logs and unauthorized access from the IP addresses. Next, we are going to analysis phase. Analysis phase is the collected evidence is examined to determine what happened, how the attack was executed, and who was responsible. This involves investigating file modifications, malware signatures, and unauthorized commands, uh, correlating logs to detect patterns of attack, using forensic tools to recover deleted files and hidden malwares. In real world, forensic analysis reveals that the phishing emails contain a Trojan horses that executed a keylogger, capturing the employee's credentials. Logs shows the attacker access the corporate database using stolen credentials and exfiltrated customer records. After analysis the gathered data, we are going to final phase in the presentation, data presentation. The findings must be documented, presented in a clear, concise manner to stakeholders, legal authorities, or internal security teams like court, report into court, and find document we are present into the legal cases. This involves preparing detailed forensic reports, providing visual evidence such as screenshots or data flow diagrams, testifying in court for presenting evidence to company executors. So in real world, the report is prepared detailing the timeline of the attack and the method used by the attacker and the extent of data compromised. Then the report is presented to corporate leaderships, law enforcement, and regulator bodies to take necessary legal and security actions. And as the conclusion, the five phases forensic model ensures the systemic approach to investigating cyber incidents. By following this model, organizations can effectively respond to security breaches and mitigate risk and strengthen the cybersecurity posture. This in this case study, proper identification, preservation, and collection, analysis, and presentation of evidence allowed to the organizations to understand the breaches and take corrective measures and prevent future attacks. Thank you.